In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Etsy listings to ensure you're getting found and chosen by customers. The goal here is twofold: to refine your search engine optimization, SEO strategy, and enhance your conversion rates. We'll start with keyword research, which is vital if you want to be visible to potential buyers. Think of this as the foundation of your strategy. To do this effectively, you can utilize several helpful tools. The Etsy search bar is a great place to begin, as its autocomplete feature can give you immediate insights into what customers are already looking for on the platform. You can also explore other tools like eRank, Marmalade, Everbee, and Keyword Tool Dominator, each offering unique insights into keyword performance and trends. Once you've gathered your keywords, it's time to focus on the structure of your Etsy product descriptions. A well-crafted description not only informs but also persuades your buyers to make a purchase. It can be the difference between a potential sale and a missed opportunity. Start by highlighting the essential features and benefits of your product. Make it crystal clear why your item stands out, whether it's the superior quality, the unique design, or the versatility and usage. These points must shine through in your description. Don't forget to provide detailed dimensions and material information. This helps shoppers understand exactly what they will receive, minimizing any hesitation or uncertainty. Knowing the size and composition of a product is crucial for many buyers, especially when purchasing handmade or unique items. Next, consider including suggestions for gift use. Help your audience visualize your product as the perfect gift by describing scenarios or occasions it would fit seamlessly into, like birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. This not only broadens the potential appeal, but also helps customers imagine how the item might bring joy to others. Additionally, providing clear and concise FAQs or care instructions can preemptively address any common questions or concerns buyers might have. This can range from care guidelines to how the item should be stored, cleaned, or used. Finally, guide them through the purchasing process with detailed shipping and processing information. Clearly outline your shipping policies, shipping timeframes, and any other relevant details. The smoother you make this process, the more likely you are to convert browsers into buyers. Don't forget a strong call to action. Encourage viewers to take the next step, whether it's add to cart, favorite this item, or contact you for customization. This small nudge can be incredibly powerful in converting interest into action. By following these steps, you'll make sure that once potential customers do find your listing, they'll be persuaded to choose your product. This strategic approach can significantly elevate your presence on Etsy, turning your shop into a preferred destination for buyers.